Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to reveal to you how you can adjust the alignment of texts within your cells on Smartsheet, for example, in your project sheets or dashboards. So let us dive into this. So it is actually simple, guys. Navigate to your project sheet. Let me go with this one here and also click into the given cell you would like to customize. Let me go with that subtask here in row number 4. So what you want to do, guys, is simply make sure that the grid view is enabled, not the table or board or timeline view, but the grid view. And once it's done, simply click into the given cell. And here at the top, you will see that align cell content feature. So what you want to do, guys, is simply click into that arrow down icon next to it and select top alignment, middle alignment, or bottom alignment. And that's basically it. Now, it doesn't make sense if you have only one line within that cell. So let me go, for example, with, I don't know, let me apply it to that cell here, click into that button. Well, as you can see, it doesn't make any sense because we have only these 3 lines, but let's assume you, for example, your cell features quite a lot of text and different paragraphs, and you would like to sort them, for example, and align them to the top or to the bottom. In this case here, changing the alignment would, of course, make sense. That's how it works, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video anyway. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on our channel.